Hey Access members, in this video, I'm going to show you how to research and find a great website logo designer for as little as $5. And I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Check it out. All right, guys, so check it out. We basically have our framework of our website, and we're starting to kind of customize it and make it our own. And one of the first things that most people like to do is create a custom logo or header design. So basically, if you look at our current website design of anthonytran.biz, right now it has just something with some text and nothing very unique about it. So I'm going to show you how to find and create some logos for about $5, starting at $5, and then we'll go from there. All right, so check it out. One of the best places to get a custom logo design is at Fiverr.com, and we're going to go ahead and visit this site. And basically, if you don't familiar with Fiverr, it's a really interesting marketplace. It's basically other people that create services, all kinds of random things, and they're willing to do it for only $5. So let's go ahead and go to the search box, and I'm going to show you how amazing this website is. So I'm going to type in here website logo. So as you see right here, there's all these different service providers, people that are willing to design a logo for you for only $5. And you're probably thinking, wow, that's not that expensive. Well, the amazing thing is, there's people all over around the world that are willing to do, any kind of service for you. And this is one of those things that, you can really start off and get a pretty decent logo for only a few dollars. So what I usually do is I'll go to the highest rating, and I'll click this tab. And the reason why I want to go here is because these people have actually had some proven consistent work, and other people have rated them very highly. So the chances of you getting a pretty decent design are pretty good. Let's go ahead and click on one of these ads and see what comes about. So here's one person that says, hey, I'll do a professional, modern, creative, unique logo for a company blog and website for $5. And one of the things you want to do is they usually have these little tabs, and they might give you some samples of some of their work. So it looks like this is their collage of sample of work. And hey, this looks pretty decent, actually. And what you do is I'll definitely recommend to read the description in here very carefully. Make sure you really understand what they're offering you. And the other thing I really want you to make sure you do is if you purchase a logo with them is make sure you have it in a PNG format. And a PNG format basically is a design that has a transparent background so that when you install your logo on it, the background will be the color of your current website theme versus if you just purchase like a JPEG picture or just a logo with a picture, there'll be like a white box background. So make sure you get it in a PNG format. And what's cool about Fiverr, if you really like the service provider that you use, they also offer some other additional, what they call my extra gigs. And for a little bit more money, you might be able to get some other, for example, this guy or gal will be able to basically create your Facebook timeline banner, and also looks like they'll give you unlimited revisions. And this other person or this other gig basically gives you 4 logo concepts. So anyways, you can kind of peruse around and check it out, and Fiverr is a great way to go. And if you are interested, you just click the green arrow, green button here, order now, and you answer a few questions, and within a couple days you'll get a new logo emailed to you. It's pretty awesome. So the other website that I do highly recommend for design work is 99designs.com, and I'm going to basically provide you a link below this video. It is my affiliate link, so if you use it, I do appreciate it. But let me share with you what 99 Designs is. 99 Designs is interesting because the concept is you're basically hosting a design contest. And what you do is you can get started. They can do all kinds of things: logo designs, web page design, business card design, mobile app design, t-shirts, banners, book covers, and other art and illustration projects. So what it does is you basically submit almost like an outsourcing project, and you can purchase these different levels. So let's say, for example, the logo design, it starts off at $2.99, and it can go up to a higher package. But so basically, let's click on logo design. You would basically type in what your project you want to call it. You give it a name. You give a specific description. Say, I'm looking for this type of logo, this color format, this type of design. Here's some examples. And you can kind of click as far as what type of logo style you want. Do you want just a Word, I guess an enhanced Word typography logo? You can get a logo with a picture. You can get one that's like an emblem. Anyways, you get the idea, and then you can basically adjust and give them an idea as far as you want it to be young, mature, luxury, economical, classic. You can kind of give them more specifics, and then basically you run a design contest. And the amazing thing is you'll get a variety of, submissions, and you get to basically pick and choose which one you like the best. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account, and I can show you what happened with my 99 Designs contest. Okay, so here we are. This was a logo design contest I created for my website. And as you can see right here, I had about 17 designers that submitted some type of logo design. And there's about 79 logo submission entries, which is awesome. And what's cool about this too is you can see there's different star ratings. So basically these ratings were ratings that I provided to give feedback to my designers so they can kind of get a feel for if they were on the right track or if they were kind of off on the design. The other cool thing is you can also write comments and give them feedback throughout the contest to say, hey, change this color. I don't really like this, or I do like this. And it's a really neat way of communicating with your designers. And as you can see on the right-hand side, I was writing little messages and say, hey, can you try use this color, blue and white? I think the words are too small. Can you make it better? These kind of things. And so the designers constantly are revising and creating revisions, and they're providing more submissions to see if they're on the right track. So it's an amazing way for one price, you get multiple designs from multiple designers, and you're constantly getting a whole bunch of revisions. So at the very end of the contest, you narrow down your top designers to maybe like the top 5 out of 17 or 20 or however many submissions you have. And then those people go into like a final round, and they compete to win the total cash money. So, I ended up selecting the one that currently won the contest, and that's the one that's on my website. And there you go. So 99 Designs is just a really cool way to get some design work done, and it's less risky because, like I said, you get a lot of different submissions, and you get to work with a lot of different designers for a very decent price. So, like I said, if there's a link below this video if you'd like to use it, that'd be great. And then now we're going to show you how to install a logo onto your website.